As we revisit some of the famous quotes of Warren Buffett, one of it says, "Accounting is the language of business." Did you know that? The demand for skilled finance professionals is soaring today's ever-changing financial landscape with a staggering 14% compound annual growth rate. It's becoming increasingly evident that to excel in this field and stay ahead, one must possess the right skills and knowledge. That's where Imarticus Learning comes in. Let me tell you about Imarticus Learning's 100% job-assured postgraduate financial accounting and management program. It's designed specifically to equip aspiring financial professionals with the necessary skills to thrive in today's fast-paced financial industry. This program isn't just about textbook knowledge, it's all about practical application. Imarticus provides specialized insights into finance and accounting from a strategic standpoint, teaching you how to effectively manage an organization's finances with precision and with structure. What sets this program apart is the guidance of experienced instructors who are experts in their fields. They'll walk you through the program's comprehensive curriculum, ensuring that you gain the knowledge and the practical skills needed to succeed in the finance industry. This program includes foundational financial accounting principles, as well as advanced topics such as working capital management, audit and taxation, financial planning and analysis, global financial compliance. You will also gain practical experience through in-class simulations that will help you develop critical thinking skills and enhance your job market readiness. Our program also includes tailored placement sessions to help you prepare for job interviews and master soft skills, aptitude, and presentation to land your dream job in the Fortune 500 companies. So, build a career in financial accounting and management and work in roles like revenue analyst, accounting analyst, corporate finance associate, finance reporting administrator, accountant finance executives, accounts payable executives, account receivables executives. If you want to take your career in the finance industry to the next level, I highly recommend exploring Imarticus Learning's 100% job-assured postgraduate financial accounting and management program. Enroll now and take the first step towards a successful career in finance.